In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find indicators on Tradingview. We'll walk through the simplest ways to locate the tools you need, whether you already know the exact indicator you're after or you just want to browse what's available. Start by opening your browser and searching for Tradingview. Click the official Tradingview website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top navigation bar and click Products. This menu is your gateway to everything on the platform. You'll use it both to get into the charting interface and to explore TradingView's broader technical analysis resources. When you're looking to add indicators directly to a chart, head into the chart interface and find the Indicators button on the top toolbar. Click Indicators, and a panel will open. If you have a specific indicator in mind, use the search bar right at the top of that panel. Type the name, something like RSI, MACD, or Moving Average, and relevant results will appear instantly. This is the fastest route when you know exactly what you're looking for, and it helps you avoid scrolling through long lists. If you're not searching for something specific and just want to discover what's out there, go back to the top menu and return to Products. From there, click Technicals. On that page, click Indicators to enter TradingView's broader indicator library. This area is great for learning and discovery. You can browse through popular built-in tools, see what's trending, and get a sense of how different indicators are grouped. As you explore, scroll down to see more categories and examples. You'll find short descriptions that explain what each indicator does, which can help you decide whether it fits your style, whether you're focused on trend following, momentum, or volatility. Browsing this way is especially helpful if you're new to technical analysis or you're refining your toolkit. The variety of indicators can be overwhelming at first, so take your time with the descriptions and pay attention to how indicators may complement each other. When you've identified a few you like, remember their names so you can quickly pull them up later from the Indicators button on the chart. That's the full process. Open TradingView, use the Products menu at the top, click Indicators inside the chart if you know what you want, or head to Products, then Technicals, then Indicators to explore and scroll through the options. Follow these paths and you'll be able to find the right indicators for your analysis quickly and confidently.